Hello, my name's Steve and welcome to the Seaside Allotment channel. And today we're just popping down to the allotment. It's a nice frosty snowy morning and we're going to get on with the harvest, and yeah, it'll be nice to see what we're picking at this time of year. So there's the plot. I've just opened up some of the frames so I can start picking. Although it froze last night, everything in the polytunnel's fine, so I should be picking a good amount from here. And then everything will get fleeced up because it's going to be pretty cold over the next few days. Make a start with all these field beans and pinch the tips out of these, and they're covered in snow but they're not actually frozen, so I'll put them in some water and then spin them dry before I put them into storage boxes. Loads of purple sprouting broccoli, so I'm going to pick some of that. Pick a few boxes of these colettes. And these are great because you can basically pick these in any weather. A few sprouts and some sprout leaves. And maybe a sprout top as well. Plenty of kale, so I'll pick some of that. And I'll also pick some of this kale Nero. And for my smoothie mixes, I'm going to probably take a few red cabbage leaves. And quite a lot of these Romanesco cauliflower leaves as well. They're really nice in smoothies, super mild. And probably a few cabbage leaves. Some of these calabrese leaves, they're really nice as well. I should get some salads. We've got quite a nice range of salad leaves. And I've got some in the polytunnel, I've got some outside. Some rocket and some winter miners lettuce for the salad mixes. Some spring onion bunches. I've got lots of lovely chard as well, so I'll probably pick some of that for the smoothie mixes. And yeah, I'll probably cook some of that as well. For the salads, probably get a bit of Mizuna. This giant red mustard. I picked a few of these little beetroot as well. Look pretty nice. Everything else I get from the store at home. That's the allotment harvest done. I'll just show you what we've got. Really nice spring onions. 4 nice salad mixes. We've got 4 mixed brassica mixes. Big smoothie mix. A couple of portions of chard. 2 lots of bean sprouts. And that's actually the last of the beetroot off the allotment. We've still got a bit at home in the ground and we've got lots in store. So I've closed up all the cold frames, and when I was harvesting out of these I was taking care to leave the snow on top just to provide a bit more insulation because it's going to be really cold, as I said I think earlier, over the next few days. So I'm on my way home now. The polytunnel's nicely fleeced up. And this is one of the best things I did, was put this permanent fleecing system in, which just clips the fleece to this little trestle table here, and it means I can lay that fleece down in about 30 seconds and take it up in 30 seconds, and that's really good because I do try and keep this bed, which has got a lot of the overwintered brassicas in it, to above 6 degrees, and my theory is at that temperature the brassicas are unlikely to bolt. But if they go much below that, they get a bit stressed. So yeah, so that's the theory there. And for the salad beds, I only tend to fleece those because they don't really mind a bit of cold when I'm going to be harvesting, when it's going to be frosty. And that fleece just keeps them frost free and makes it easy to harvest them, which I'll be doing again on Saturday. So there's the little bit of veg that we picked, all boxed up, ready to go home. End of this little video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon.